This message is transmitted at the request of the Paris Police Department. A dangerous criminal has escaped from being transported in a police van. Officers transporting him said that he began to have signs of pain, then broke his handcuffs and assaulted an officer. The criminal's name is Peter Duncan, an unknown age man, wearing glasses, half-bald with a goatee and tan gray-colored hair. He was last seen wearing a gray hoodie, black pants, and shoes. This criminal is known to be very dangerous, and it is unknown what he could be capable of. Immediately bring in all pets and children, turn off all lights, remain quiet, and lock all doors and windows, adding extra barriers if needed. If you have children at school, do not panic, as all schools in the area have begun their lockdown procedures. Peter Duncan was found guilty of charges such as art theft, safe cracking, kidnapping, and bank robberies, to name a few. It is not known where he is headed, and police force from Paris and other areas are working to find him. If you are on the road, head home right now. If you see this criminal, do not approach him, as it could be the last thing you do. This alert will be lifted when the criminal in question is located and detained.